All right, the screencast is going to go through how to save your design as a PNG. So PNG versus JPEG. PNG is going to allow you to have a transparent background if you choose to have that. So in this case, my artboard is just my artboard. There's nothing back there. It's not even a white background. It's just the default artboard. So if I save this as a PNG, it's just going to show anything that I've designed in here. And then this is going to be transparent. So it show that circular shape in the background no matter what I would put on it. You do have the option to do white or black on that as well. But JPEG would keep this with that white background in there. Either is usually fine unless you know that you want a transparent background. In this case with uploading to the discussion to Schoology, PNG is just a little bit clearer, and that's part of the reason that we're also saving as PNG. If you know that you want a background, like a white background in there, be intentional and actually draw that in or create that with the rectangle tool. So create your square, whatever shape you want it to be. Choose the color that you want it to be, and then you would also arrange that and move that to the background, and then it would save with that when you're doing your PNG. All right, I'm going to delete that out. All right, so once I have my file ready, I'm going to do file export. So it's not under save, it's under export. I'm going to do export as. And then make sure you give it a name, and then make sure you know where you're saving it so that you can find it later. Okay, I've done all those things. You can see all the options that you have here. So choose PNG, and then you're going to choose export. I do have this little extra piece over here. So I would actually want to delete that out before I save this. Otherwise, it's going to keep my little circle in there. But your resolution for what we're doing, it looks best if you choose the high resolution, so 300 ppi, and then background color. In this case, you can see the checkerboard right here, so it's going to just be transparent, but you could choose white or black if that's what you would prefer. All right, so before I would save this, I would cancel out and delete that out. Otherwise, I'm just going to say okay, and it's going to save, and I'm going to upload that to Schoology.